About this item: high quality material. This adapter is compatible with for PS2 consoles compared to traditional SATA network adapters. SATA HDD connector plugs and sockets are made of harder material and last longer and are less prone to damage. You can use the SATA HDD adapter with confidence. For PS2 adapter and memory card, SATA network designed for PS2 consoles and comes with 64 MB FMCB 1.953 memory card free McBoot. With this adapter you can connect SATA hard disk, no IDE, directly to the console and load programs without disks to play games from HDD. Compatible devices. For PS2 HDD adapter, the HDD adapter is compatible with the SATA network of the for PS2 console. The network adapter can support up to 2 TB SATA HDD, 2.5 inch and 3.5 inch. 2 TB SATA HDD connector plug socket.